permutations and combinations, part 8. Discuss about some problems. Find the sum of all 4-digit numbers, sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed by using digits 0, 2, 4, 7, 8 without repetition. Here given digits are 5 digits are there, and that can be formed 4-digit numbers. Here 4-digit number means by using 0, 2, 4, 7, 4 digits, you take 4 digits. So 0, 2, 4, 7, it is a 4-digit number or 3-digit number? It is 3-digit number. It is 3-digit number. That's why subtract the value of n minus 2 pr minus 2 into sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1. 1 is r minus 1. Write note. Okay. So that means it is called a 3-digit numbers. So it is not 4-digit numbers. Okay. These 3 digits numbers are totally eliminated. Delete చేయాలన్నమాట. Subtract in total numbers. In total 4-digit numbers. Listen carefully. So given digits are 0, 2, 4, 7, 8. Here n equals to 5. How many digits? 5 digits. So that can be formed 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers means r equals to 4. R equals to 4. R equals to 4. So by using the formula, sum of the 4-digit numbers, clearly 4-digit numbers, okay, 4-digit numbers that can be formed by using given digits, given 5 digits, that is equals to 0, 2, 4, 7, 8. 2, 4, 7, 8 is, what is the formula? Write the formula. n minus 1 p r minus 1 into sum of the digits, clearly sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1, that is equals to 1 is r times. Next minus, okay, n minus 2 p r minus, first formula అందులో 0 లేదు. 0 ఉంటే ఈ ఫార్ములా, సెకండ్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలి. 0 లేకపోతే అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. ఓకేనా? ఇంక్లూడ్ 0 ఇంటూ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది డిజిట్స్ ఇంటూ 1, 1, 1, 1 dash dash 1 r minus 1 times. Okay, right. Here n equal to 5, r equal to 4. Substitute in this equation. So simplify n means 5 minus 1 p, r equals to 4 minus 1 into sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means given digit 2, 0, 2, 4, 7, 8. 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 into 8 is there. Okay? Okay. Into 1, 1 how many times? Write as 1, 1. R equal to how much?
4 times.
R and 1 write as 4 times. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How many times?
4 times.
So that means r times means r equal to 4. Understood? Right. Minus. Okay. Right. N minus 1. 5 minus 2 p r 4 minus 2 into sum of the digits 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 into 1 1 1 is r minus 1 times 1 1 r means 4. R minus 1 means
R minus 1, 4 minus
1 4 minus 1 3. 3 times, write the 3 times 1 1 3 times. Understood? Right. 5 minus 1 4 p3 into sum of the digits 6 plus 7 13 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 7 13 plus 8
21.
21 into 1 1 1 1 minus 3p2 into 21 into 1 1 1. Okay, 4p3 means 4 into 3 into 2 into 21 into 1 1 1 1 minus 3 into 2 into 1 21 into 1 1. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 12 to the 24, 24, 24 into 21. How much? Take the common, total take the common 21, 21 common, 21, okay, listen carefully, 21, 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 21, 3 into 2, 21 common, remaining 4 into 1 1 1 1 minus, okay, 3 into 2 21 1 1 1, okay, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 126 into how much? 4 minus 11. Okay,
Okay.
126 into how much? 1 1 1 minus subtract 3 3 3 4 4 3 3 3. It is multiply this one. Okay, 4 3 3 3 into 126. 6 3s are 18, 1, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19, 1, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 into 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, okay, 1 3s are 1 3s are 1 3s are 1 4s are 8 9 6 15 1 10 6 9 19 1 10 15 1, okay, 10 14 1. So total how much? 54 5 lakh 54 lakhs 5 lakhs 45,958 total number of 4 digit number, sum of the 4 digit numbers by using the digits 0 2 4 7 8 without repetition. Okay, find the number of find the number that the greater than 4,000. Find the number that the greater than 4,000 which can be formed using the digits 0 2 4 6 8 without repetition. Here 0 2 4 6 8 by using the digits 0 2 4 6 8 by using digits that can be formed 4 digit numbers or 5 digit number, any number, that number is greater than 4,000. Greater than 4,000. Greater than 4,000 means 4,000 to 4,000. Some 4,000 above 4,000. The numbers are above 4,000. All 5-digit numbers are above 4000 or not?
Yes, sir.
All 5-digit numbers above 4000 are not?
Sir.
Above 4000. Okay. First you find above greater than 4000 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. Listen carefully. Given digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Greater than 4000 is first write 4-digit numbers. Write 4-digit numbers. So 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers and means, for example, 4-digit numbers. 4-digit number. In 4-digit number, first listen carefully. First begin with 2. Begin with 2. That number is above 4000 or not?
Not, sir.
Below 4000. Begin with 4.
Yes, sir.
Begin with 6.
Yes, sir.
Begin with 8.
Above 4.
Yes, in first place 4, 6, 8. First place can be filled in. First place can be filled with 3 digits. Can be filled with 3 digits is 3P1.
21.
Okay, 1 blank 3 digits.
Yes, sir.
Okay, remaining 3 blanks. Remaining 3 blanks. How many digits are there?
3 digits, sir.
Total how many digits? 1 digits already eliminate. Total 5 digits. How many digits? 5 digits.
12 digits, sir.
1 digit already filled in first place. Remaining 4 letters. 4 digits. 4 digits, 3 blanks. 4 digit, 3 blanks that can be filled. 4P3. 4P3. Understood?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Required permutation. Required permutation is 3P1 into 4P3. That is equals to 3 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Oh, sorry. 4 into 3 into 2. So how many is 3? 3 factors. 3 4s are 12. 12 3s are 36 plus 2. 36 into 2, 72. It is 4-digit numbers. Clear? And next 5-digit numbers. Above 5-digit numbers are 5-digit numbers are 5-digit numbers. 5 digits numbers are above 4000. Above 4000. Okay. Now find the number of 5-digit numbers. Total 5-digit numbers. Total how many digits are there? 5 digits are there. Here it is 5-digit number means first place 0 filled with 0. For example, filled with 0. It is 5-digit number or not?
Not, sir.
Okay. First place. That's why first place does not filled with 0. Does not filled with 0. Remaining 4 digit, any digit filled with first place. So in first place filled with 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, any digit filled except 0. Why? It is not a 5-digit number. So total how many digits are there? 4. In how many place? One place. First place. First place can be filled with 4 digit. That means 4P1. Remaining how many digits are there?
4 digits, sir.
4 digits are there. How many digits remaining?
4 digits.
4 blanks remaining 4 digits into 4P4. Okay, 4p1 means 4, 4p4 means 4 into 3 into 2 into, okay, 1. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 2s are 96, 96 1s are 96. 5 digit numbers above 4000. Total numbers. Total greater than 4000 number. Total numbers of greater than 4000 is, first one is 72, next 96, equal to how much? 168.